Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. All right, today for some extra math practice, we wanted to try a new tool, and we're going to try what is called Google Forms. So similar to Kahoot or similar to Nearpod, Google Forms is a way for you to answer questions. And then the questions are sent back to us. Your answers are sent back to us. So what you'll do is after watching this short clip, the short video here, you can tap add on your Seesaw activity, and then you'll want to click on this link. So here is the link, and when you tap on it, and you may need to press and hold for just a moment, but when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this page, and it says 211 math practice. And it just says, please answer the questions below. Please feel free to use a piece of scratch paper to solve any of the problems below. Any questions, let us know. So you can just go through and answer the questions by tapping on the answer choice that you think is correct. And then, so for this first one, 15 plus 4, I know that's 19, so I'm going to tap on the 19. And then you may need to use your finger to scroll through this form, but you'll just continue answering the questions, tap on the one that you think is correct for each one. And then you'll get to the end, and when you come to the end and you're finished, it will say submit. So you'll just go ahead and tap submit. It will send us your answers, your responses, and then it should also show you the questions, which ones you answered correctly and if you answered any incorrectly. I know it says 1 point. This is just for practice. It's not a graded quiz or anything. It's just for practice. It's just the way it's set up that we just have a point assigned to it, but it's not a graded, it's just a practice. And you'll just click submit when you're finished, and you can come back to Seesaw and tap the check to submit that, just to let us know that you're finished and also just to clear it from your activities feed. All right, so let us know if you have any questions or trouble using Google Forms. Like I said, we just wanted to try a different tool, a different way of responding, and let us know if you have any questions. All right, thanks.